What was my emoji? I don't know.
You should
I'm
check.
not a fan. अरे I don't know how to check Twitter.
ये हमेशा शूट करती रहती है, इतनी बिजी लड़की है, इतनी बड़ी स्टार है, तो इसका टाइम ही नहीं होता कि ट्विटर भी चेक करे, क्या करे?
The problem is that I don't know. I don't understand Twitter.
अच्छा, मुझे सिर्फ हग मिला है, आपको क्लैप क्लैप क्या चाहिए और?
लड़की से हग मिल रहा है उजागर, और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? दर्शन is somebody who gets really methodical and serious. वो चू भी नहीं करेगा अगर उसका एक सीन एक certain way है. और मैं हरदम हंसती थी सीन के पहले. तो बेचारा, like he is saying that I was a great co-actor, but I have to give this to him. That no matter what I was doing, he was totally in his zone. So he and Sir used to pull my leg very often about my eating habits and about how I am and blah blah.
Okay.
But there were times I used to get to pull Darshan's leg. That was one of those scenes.
Darshan is speechless now and is blushing and he
Yes.
doesn't know what to say.
रेड हो गया मेरा फेस शर्म के मारे.
Very good.
बाहुबली से ज्यादा पार्ट 2 से ज्यादा अभी आश्रम 2 का इंतजार हो रहा है, और पता नहीं कितने आ रहे हैं. कई आ रहे हैं कि वो हम आरती से उतारेंगे जब भी पार्ट 2 आएगा, और कैसे होगा, पता नहीं कितने मीम्स आ रहे हैं उसके.
Alright, तो आज के जो मेरे गेस्ट्स हैं, ये फिलहाल they're trending, they are going viral like anything. इनका लेटेस्ट शो जो अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही रिलीज हुआ है MX Player पे, आश्रम, it is I think one of the most talked about series at least right now. You know, specifically if I can think of in the lockdown कोई ऐसा show जो इतना, you know, it's gotten so much love, I think it definitely is Ashram. And I have recently watched it and I've loved it, and I really wanted to chat with these two people. Joining me today is Darshan Kumar and Anupriya Goenka. Welcome both of you.
Thanks a lot for having us. Thank you.
You know, I have to ask you, जब ट्रेलर आया था तो लोगों में बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी थी, एक इंटरेस्ट लेवल था कि you know what is this going to be about. Of course Prakash sir is, you know, directing it, so obviously people were interested. But you know, after the series released, from what I have seen is that the interest has changed into obsession. You know, people are just talking about it. There is, like, I was just talking to Darshan right now, you know, the kind of posts and the creations, you know, they're sending to him, and especially आप दोनों की chemistry को लेकर के, you know, they're making so many memes and what not. मैं आप दोनों से पहले जानना चाहूंगी कि was this kind of a response expected जब आप लोग इस शो के लिए शूटिंग कर रहे थे, या you know, when you were prepping for it, did you expect कि इस तरह का crazy response मिलने वाला है शो को?
Well, yes, because we knew it. It is directed by Prakash Jha sir, and we love the script, and we knew because I have grown up watching his films, and I'm a big fan of his work, and his films are, you know, always with the entertainment and with a great social message, engaging, thrilling, all this, you know, सबका mixture. So I knew it कि people will love it, and they're gonna give us a very good response about this. And because जब बिगनिंग में सर ने बताया था कि इसमें जो कास्ट है, बॉबी देओल हैं और अनुप्रिया है, चंदन रॉय सान्याल, सचिन श्रॉफ, एवरीवन. सो तो इवन तुषार पांडे, ही इज सो गुड इन दिस वेब सीरीज. तो जब बताया था कि ये सारी कास्ट है और इस तरह का सब्जेक्ट है, तो I was excited like anything, और because मेन तो मेरा था कि मैं शुरू से सर के साथ काम करना चाह रहा था, और इस आश्रम के थ्रू मुझे मौका मिल गया.
Anupriya, were you expecting this kind of a crazy response?
I was definitely expecting that this would be a big hit. जैसे दर्शन ने कहा कि प्रकाश झा का नाम ही काफी एक तरीके से.
Right.
You know, actors के लिए भी, I think for all us actors unanimously, having Sir and getting to work with Sir was the biggest motivator, more than anything else, to the extent where, because it has 8 or 9 primary characters, you know, this series, so it's been written very in a very balanced manner कि हर एक character को सर ने ग्राफ दिया है, जबकि 8-9 primary characters जैसे, you know, लगते हैं यहाँ, लेकिन सबका ग्राफ काफी तगड़ा है, and so much is happening. But irrespective of having so many actors in one series, they all were as thrilled. किसी के भी दिमाग में शायद ये नहीं था कि कितना बड़ा होगा, कितना छोटा होगा, because one thought was there कि प्रकाश झा डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है.
I'm sure. And you know, one thing that you very clearly mentioned out and very nicely, which is that Prakash sir की films में भी जो चीज मैंने at least what we've seen is that he's had this ensemble cast, and all the characters, all the actors, उन सबको इतने अच्छे से दिखाया जाता है, सबके roles इतने खूबसूरती से show किए जाते हैं. And at the same time, like how Darshan was just telling me कि I had posted a little review about this yesterday on Twitter and I had tagged everyone. And Darshan was telling me कि मैंने आपका review पढ़ा, और वो review जब मैं लिख रही थी ना, there were so many characters, because usually we just sort of just put out a little about what we thought about the show. I was like, नहीं, oh ये रह गया, oh ये रह गया, because there were so many people.
Yeah.
And ultimately, I was like, I cannot just talk about each and everything, because Twitter is like those limited 140 characters.
I know, yeah, that's very bad. I think they should do something about it. बहुत
Yeah.
irritating है.
I was
और
like,
हम
But that's
जैसे-
the idea which you did.
तो हमारी
very
जैसी सीरीज में तो ना it's a dilemma because you can't even get everybody's name.
yeah.
So it's like ये unbalanced लग रहा है, irritating है बहुत
I
ज़्यादा.
actually, I actually wanted to write a lot about everybody, but then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to use emojis and just choose one.
And I got a big hug.
Yeah, I think that's how I sort of, thought of all the characters. But the first emoji that sort of came to my head, I was like, let me just sort of, put it like that. I hope this matches.
What was my emoji? I don't know.
You should check.
I'm not a fan. अरे I don't know how to check Twitter.
ये
I don't
हमेशा
know.
शूट करती रहती है, इतनी बिजी लड़की है, इतनी बड़ी स्टार है, तो
तो
इसका टाइम ही
वो
होता
तो
कि ट्विटर भी चेक
Shut
करे,
up.
क्या करे.
The problem is that I don't know. I don't understand Twitter. I'm sorry to be accepting this on such a platform, but मैं lost हो जाती हूँ. I kind of don't get to read my messages and mentions because it really boggles me.
Okay, so I think for Anupriya, I had used the clap sign, the emoji.
Yay!
बेटा मुझे सिर्फ हग मिला है, आपको क्लैप क्या चाहिए और?
लड़की से हग मिल रहा है उजागर, और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? That talks much more.
Thank you so much for that. Yeah.
I want to know from both of you, what is your favorite scene from the series? Now that you think of it.
Darshan first.
और ये लो, चलो ठीक है. Actually, I enjoyed each and every scene, but you say favorite, I can say जब मैं बहुत एक्चुअली सीन के लिए बहुत डरा हुआ था, क्योंकि मैं ड्रिंक नहीं करता हूँ, मैंने आज तक लाइफ में कभी दारू नहीं पी है और ना ही मैं सिगरेट पीता हूँ, टोटली टी टोटलर. सो वो सीन जो पर्टिकुलर था, जो आपने देखा होगा, जो मैं दारू पी के बात कर रहा हूँ कि मैं एक नंबर से रह गया, उसको पूरा रिवील नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं, तो नहीं तो वो भी स्पॉइलर हो जाएगा. तो वो सीन में बहुत डरा हुआ था कि क्योंकि उसमें क्या है ना, प्रॉब्लम ये थी मैंने कभी पी नहीं है और ना मुझे उस लेवल तक पता है, लेकिन वो क्या होता है ना, अगर आप उसमें एक लेवल ज्यादा चले जाओ तो ओवर एक्टिंग लगेगी, और कम अगर आप उसमें जाओ कम लगेगी, कम नशा है तो लगेगा नहीं ये ड्रंक लग नहीं रहा. और ड्रंक से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था जो मैसेज जो मुझे या जो मेरे अंदर चल रहा था, उजागर के अंदर जो इतने सालों से आग थी और उसे पहली बार कोई मिला जिससे वो दिल की बात कर सकता है नताशा के साथ, तो वो अपने दिल की बात बता रहा और भड़ास निकालना है, तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. तो वो जो कॉम्बिनेशन था दोनों का, वो लाना ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. तो और उसी सीन के लिए मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अप्रिशिएशन मिल रही है. सो आई एम ब्लेस्ड इन दैट वे. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सीन था.
Agreed. You're right. There's a very fine line between that and overacting. Definitely overboard जा सकता था if you don't know about it. But
बहुत अच्छा है. क्या काम किया आपने जनाब?
अरे there is saying you are blessed if your co-star is talented.
Oh, yeah.
Because
But I have to
actors
mention
can create a celluloid magic, So thanks to Natasha. So she was my partner in that scene. She gave us such a good response.
let her talk.
So yeah, thanks to her.
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि I will give him the, तुम्हें credit दे रही हूँ कि I will give him the credit where he deserves. See, most of the work that I've done, I had to cry. Sometime or the other, definitely I had to cry. There was in Ashram, even though the role was intense, I had to be happy because I had to keep the spirits sprightly and lively. And then the set was also that, being with Darshan, being with Prakash sir and Vikram, I was always in a very happy mood.
Okay.
So उस scene में he was all, and Darshan is somebody who gets really methodical and serious. वो चू भी नहीं करेगा अगर उसका एक scene एक certain way है. और मैं हरदम हंसती थी scene के पहले. So, bichara, like he is saying that I was a great co-actor, but I have to give this to him that no matter what I was doing, he was totally in his zone. मजाल है कि अगर एक हंसी भी फूट जाए फेस से. So yeah.
डरावा आदमी क्या करेगा?
No,
एक
but
अच्छे एक्टर के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ तो तो थोड़ा डरा हुआ रहना जरूरी है, इम्पोर्टेंट है.
very sincere. My favorite is that scene wherein I don't know if you've seen it or not.
I have seen it.
Yes,
Oh, you've
she
seen
has
the
seen
whole thing. Oh yeah, you've seen it. How do I explain that scene? Yeah, so because again I'll be giving out spoilers. Uh,
But it's
so
okay.
where after the attack we have an intimate moment, and there is a before and after to the scene. So it's a long scene which has a lot of graph. There are moments of the attack, of being vulnerable. Then there is some intimacy, and there is this whole chemistry that's building up between them. So I had a great time shooting for that scene. First of all, that's why it's one of my favorites. the way I was making Darshan's life hell.
Really?
Yeah, because he's such a sweetheart. It's very like, so he and Sir used to pull my leg very often about my eating habits and about how I am and blah blah.
Okay.
But there were times I used to get to pull Darshan's leg. That was one of those scenes where I was just laughing away and he would get conscious.
Darshan is speechless now and is blushing and he
Yes.
doesn't know what to say.
रेड हो गया मेरा फेस शर्म के मारे.
Very good. Good job. I think this interview will be incomplete, and I was telling him that I was telling Darshan that there is this one question that I have to ask you. अगर मैंने नहीं पूछा तो मतलब मुझे गालियाँ पड़ने वाली है. I'm going to get a lot of abuses in the comment section.
Part 2.
Yes.
Yes, everyone is asking the same
Yes.
question.
Matlab, I'll tell you guys something. I think the last time that I remember such a hype happening for a show, I think it was for Mirzapur. जब मिर्जापुर रिलीज हुई थी and people were like, मिर्जापुर season 2 कब आ रहा है, and I think after a very long time, I think mostly after 2 years or something, it's been 2 years that the show released, and I think now it's happening that I see it everywhere कि part 2 कब आ रहा है, and the best part is that you've shown us a couple of scenes in the end of the last episode, which gives us a glimpse of what we're going to see in the second part. So I think uska you guys are done with the shoot of it, but I think we're still waiting for the second part to come out. So please हमें कुछ तो बताइए.
Ladies first.
Acha.
Very nice.
Question, yaar. I don't know how to answer it. I mean, so it's
That's not an answer.
the way it is, okay? I've not been briefed about what I'm supposed to say or not supposed to say. So this is what it is. We shot for season 1, and it has been divided in 2 parts. So now this part 1 is out, and the second part is around the corner.
Okay, around the corner is what Anupriya says. Darshan,
Yes.
ये आप सेम नहीं बोलते, आपको कुछ अलग बोलना है. नहीं, ये अनुप्रिया का
नहीं अलग कुछ नहीं. I think बहुत जल्द आ जाएगा क्योंकि थोड़ा सा पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन बाकी है, उससे थोड़ा काम बाकी है, ज्यादा काम बाकी नहीं. तो मुझे लगता है बहुत जल्द ही अनाउंस कर देंगे डेट इसका, बहुत जल्द आ जाएगा.
I hope ये सुन के आपके फैंस खुश हो थोड़े. They feel a little relieved, and I'm happy that they don't have to wait as long as they had to wait for other shows.
And I've been stopped many times on the road. Like I go for a walk sometimes. Darshan, I'm walking.
Wow.
So when I go for a walk, there have been times people have stopped me literally to ask me that when is Ashram Part 2 releasing.
See, look at the hype.
हाँ, कितने मीम्स बन रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं बाहुबली से ज्यादा पार्ट 2 से ज्यादा अभी आश्रम 2 का इंतजार हो रहा है. और पता नहीं कितने आ रहे हैं, कई आ रहे हैं कि वो हम आरती से उतारेंगे जब भी पार्ट 2 आएगा और कैसे होगा, पता नहीं कितने मीम्स आ रहे हैं उसके. तो दैट्स सो नाइस, मतलब people are loving in that way.
Another thing which I'm very happy about is कि usually क्या होता है, season 1 जब किसी शो का आता है उसके बाद you wait for the response and then you decide whether to go for a season 2 or not, right? और उस पूरे टाइम फ्रेम में when the story is being created, shooting हो रही, सब कुछ हो रहा है, तो लोगों का एक डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है फर्स्ट सीजन से because they forget, because there is so much content out there, right? इतने सारे shows है, films, और अब तो स्पेशली बहुत सारे shows और films जो लोग देख रहे हैं, तो एक डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है. The best part is that ये series अभी खत्म हुई है, and from what you guys are telling me, I'm expecting that it's gonna come out really soon. So
Yes.
I'm really hoping that it's again going to be appreciated, the second part. And I saw some really intense scenes, जो upcoming उसमें थे, and I was like really wishing, we could just get a little more glimpse of what's happening. Everybody, all the characters are again being showed so nicely in those few minutes. So I hope it comes out very soon, and I hope you're fans.
या बहुत जल्द आएगा, और प्रॉमिस है कि इससे और एक लेवल अप है, वो बहुत ही एंगेजिंग होगा. और
Nice. I like the sound of it. Perfect. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Anupriya, Darshan.
Thank
It
you,
was
sir.
lovely chatting with you. I'm really looking
Same.
forward to the second part of Ashram, and wishing you all the very best, and all the very best also for other projects that we might see you in.
Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. It was amazing talking to you, Shweta. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Shweta.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.